Hi, my name is Holly Allen. I'm a portfolio advisor here at REI Nation. Investing in real estate can be one of the smartest ways to grow your wealth, but only if you do it the right way. And if you're serious about turnkey investing, the provider you choose can make all of the difference. Today, we're going to cover the 5 questions every serious investor should ask when wanting to partner with a turnkey company. This way, you can make confident and informed decisions to set up your investment for success. First up, what's your process for acquiring and renovating property? A strong provider doesn't just buy the cheapest house they can find. They have a proven system for identifying properties, negotiating the right price, and making the right renovations that add real value. Ask for examples of past projects and the improvements made. You're going to want homes that attract reliable residents and hold their value over time. Another important question is, how do you handle your property management? Even if you're hands off, your investment still needs care. A good provider has a professional team handling everything, from screening residents to maintenance, even rent collection, while always keeping communication clear and consistent. A strong property management company can help protect your investment and avoid consistent move-outs. This is a really good one, number 3. What are your costs and fees? Transparency is critical. Make sure you understand all upfront and ongoing fees, management, maintenance, or anything else that affects returns. A provider who is upfront about cost helps you plan accurately and avoid surprises. Next up, what support do you offer your investors? A turnkey provider should be more than a transaction. They should be a partner. Look for guidance, market insights, and tools that can help you make informed decisions. The right support can save you time, reduce stress, and help you grow your portfolio successfully. Lastly, can you show proof of your track record? Ask for references or examples of past investors. You want to see consistent results, properties performing as promised, and residents satisfied. A provider with a proven track record is one you can trust with your investment. Choosing the right turnkey provider isn't just about buying a property, it's about building a long-term strategy. Ask these 5 questions, do your research, and find a partner that will align with your goals. When you do, your investment isn't just a house, it's a foundation for consistent returns and long-term growth. To learn about turnkey investing or find a provider that you trust, visit REINation.com and schedule an appointment with me, Holly Allen, or any one of our trusted portfolio advisors. Start building your portfolio with confidence today.